Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Mehta. I am currently pursuing Masters of Computer Applications from International Institute of Professional Studies, DAVV Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Today I will be going to explain you the two most important topics of cloud computing, which are service or the delivery models of cloud and the deployment models of cloud. So let's begin. Service and deployment models of cloud. So let us begin. Before beginning, let us discuss the agenda. Before cloud computing, that is, we'll see how the concept of cloud computing came in existence, what is cloud computing, then we'll come to its service models and deployment models. Before cloud computing, suppose we want to host a website, there were following things that we need to take care of. For example, we need to buy a stack of servers, monitoring and maintenance of servers. All these have certain disadvantages, like the setup was expensive. Since the traffic is varying, our servers will be idle most of the time, so we also have to take care of that. To overcome such problems, the concept of cloud computing came. In the cloud computing, we can put our data on cloud servers, and hence we need not worry about the expensive servers. Scalability, our server capacity will vary according to the traffic. Our cloud provider will manage our servers, hence we need not to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Before cloud computing, there were certain challenges that business faced, like they need to invest heavily for setup, invest in resources, scalability, and because of all that, they have less time to focus on business. Next, we come to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? It is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data resources, that is also more commonly known as cloud storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. Then we come to cloud service models. There are three types of cloud service models, which are software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and third one, platform as a service. Each of the cloud model has its own set of benefits that could serve the needs of various businesses. So let us discuss one by one. Before that, just watch the short video of the three. Let us first discuss software as a service. It is also known as on-demand software. It is a software in which the applications are hosted by a cloud service provider. Users can access these applications with the help of internet connection and web browser. There are various characteristics of SaaS, which are they are managed from a central location, hosted on a remote server, accessible over the internet. The services are purchased on the pay-per-use basis. Example of SaaS are BigCommerce, Google Apps, Salesforce, Dropbox, Zendesk, and many more. SaaS technology is being used by many of the applications like CRM, email marketing, analytics, invoice application, live chat, help desk, and etc. Next, we come the benefits of SaaS. They are affordable, they are anywhere accessible, ready to use. We can quickly set up SaaS services so that they become functional in no time. No infrastructure is required, automated backups, and high adoption. Why should one opt SaaS? With SaaS, communication, transferring of content, and scheduling meetings are made easy. It is the ideal choice for small-scale business that do not have the necessary budget and resources to deploy on-premise hardware. Besides, companies that require frequent collaboration on their projects will find software as a service platforms useful. Next comes the platform as a service. It is essentially a cloud base where we can develop, test, and organize the different applications for our business. It is a platform where we can create to develop, test, run, and manage the applications. Various characteristics of platform as a service are they are accessible to various users via the same development application, integrates with web services and databases, supports multiple languages and frameworks, and provides an ability to auto-scale. Various examples of platform as a service are AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Windows Azure, Force.com, Google App Engine, and many more. There are various technologies that make use of platform as a service, which are calendar, contacts, landmarks, locations, logging, messaging, and etc. There are various benefits of platform as a service, which are they require minimal development time, they support multiple languages, multiple programming languages, enhanced collaboration, available at multiple platforms, pay as you go model, speed, flexibility, and agility. Why should one opt PaaS? It is preferred option if our project involves multiple developers and vendors. With platform as a service, it is easy to create customized applications as it leases all essential computing and networking resources. Being a different model, platform as a service simplifies the app development process that minimizes our organizational cost. Next comes infrastructure as a service. It is basically a virtual provision of computing resources over the cloud. An IaaS cloud provider can give you the entire range of computing infrastructure such as storage, servers, networking hardware alongside maintenance and support. It is also known as hardware as a service. It is a computing infrastructure managed over the internet. The main advantage of using IaaS is that it helps users to avoid the cost and complexity of purchasing and managing the physical servers. Various characteristics of infrastructure as a service are in this, resources are available as a service, services are highly scalable, dynamic and flexible, GUI and API based access, and automated administrative tasks. Examples of IaaS are DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Engine, and many more. Various IaaS provides the storage, Windows Server, virtual desktops for our organization. Benefits of infrastructure as a service are they minimize the cost. Deploying an IaaS cloud model eliminates the need to deploy on-premise hardware that reduces the cost. Enhanced scalability, simple deployment. It lets you easily deploy the servers, processing, storage, and networking, so make it up and running in no time. Protection and recovery. Why should one opt or go for IaaS? IaaS being the most flexible of cloud model gives the best option when it comes to IT hardware infrastructure. It is the right option if we need control over the hardware infrastructure, such as in managing and customizing according to our requirements. Whether we are running a startup or a large enterprise, IaaS gives access to computing resources without the need to invest in them separately. However, the only downside with IaaS is that it is much costlier than SaaS or PaaS cloud models. Next, we comes to deployment models of cloud. There are 4 types of deployment models of cloud, which are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Each of it has its own set of benefits that could serve the needs of various businesses. We can deploy according to the organization's needs. Here is the pictorial representation of the 4 cloud models. First, we come to public cloud. It is open to all to store and access information via the internet using the pay per usage method. In this, computing resources are managed and operated by the cloud service provider. Examples, we have Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, IBM Smart Cloud Enterprise, Microsoft, Google App Engine, and etc. Then comes private cloud. It is also known as an internal cloud or corporate cloud. It is used by organizations to build and manage their own data centers internally or by third party. It can be deployed using open source tools such as OpenStack and Eucalyptus. Based on the location and management, it is divided into two parts. First one is on-premise private cloud and outsourced private cloud. Examples are HP data centers, Microsoft, Elastra private cloud, Ubuntu, etc. Hybrid cloud is the combination of public and private cloud. We can say that it is partially secure because the services which are running on public cloud can be accessible by everyone, while the services which are running on private cloud are secure. Example, Google Application Suite, Office 365, which includes MS Office on the web and OneDrive, and then Amazon Web Services. Last one is the community cloud. It allows systems and services to be accessible by a group of several organizations that have a common goal. It is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, a third party, or maybe a combination of them. Example are healthcare community cloud. Thank you everyone. Please do like, share, and subscribe my